Today, we will show you how to manually enable pairing mode on your Rally 110 and 210 power meter pedals. The process can be done while the pedals are off or on your bike. First, we will show you how to enter pairing mode while the pedals are off the bike. You will need a 15mm pedal wrench for this video. Remove the left pedal from the bike using your 15mm pedal wrench. Then, hold the pedal in a horizontal position. Now, rotate and hold the pedal in a vertical position for 2 seconds. Ensure the spindles are facing up. Rotate the pedal back to the horizontal position and hold for 2 seconds. Rotate and hold the pedal in the vertical position for 2 seconds. Ensure the spindles are facing down. Return the pedals to the horizontal position. The purple light will begin to flash. This indicates the rally pedals are in pairing mode. The process is similar if you wish to leave your pedals on your bike. Now, carefully lay the bike down on its left side and hold it still for 2 seconds. Next, bring your bike back to the upright position for 2 seconds. Now, carefully lay your bike down on the right side and hold for 2 seconds. Finally, lift your bike back to the upright position. The left pedal will begin to flash purple. The rally pedals are now in pairing mode. And that's it! Thanks for watching. For more help, please subscribe to the Garmin Support YouTube channel or visit support.garmin.com.